Hey everybody, Dr. Tyler, Freedom Chiropractic, come on in. I wanted to give you a little tour of our office if you haven't got a chance to see us yet. So we're in the front reception area here. You'll find Rachel behind the counter to greet you. Moving on back here though, we have our therapy area back here. We do a variety of different therapies. And then on this side, you'll see our adjusting tables. We got 3 of those. We have a very strict cleaning procedure and precautions for all of our patients to make sure everyone's safe, everyone's comfortable. Back in here, we have our consult room. We'll sit down. We actually go through x-rays and your report on the second day as well. Here we have your decompression table. Patients have been loving that, get great results there. And back here, we do all of our exams and x-rays back here. So wanted to quick show you. I know it's nice to get a look of an office, to get a little bit of a feel for the office before coming in. So we hope you enjoyed it. Reach out if you have any questions. Love to help you. Take care.